When I'm Ghana for paper, the money the Times newspaper, UK Times newspaper. Date any date by Friday, May 15, 2020. In the front page of the paper any, and I'm front page of the paper any. Anyway, front page of the paper any. And a back page also any. The back page of the paper any. The Times. Back page in any. Now, may quote page 25 of the paper. I want assembly wa me pese me more eche. And I say me muhunu. Page 21 of the newspaper. 20. Asana ewo any. Topic na any. Coronation Street actor wanted. Coronation Street actor wanted over sale of military planes to Ghana. And then I'm pese muhuni. Inti page 21 any. Page 21 of the newspaper any. And you may want to be anyway. You may want to be anyway. Auntie, Burma or way, and who has some the other day, Yabaka. Way. A far Ghana Airbus scandal aba. Se Ora Mahama said or no, so why you ni home. Nti Airbus scandal any. To Monshe. Any working kind of any shamo behu na any nti se be ya nan kan pesa me kan story ni nyina but e bia na recording no time no ateki kasinti nam de to so say ama mo ayede mahunu no so bi betuma kan ya any topic no and then topic no then Anthony na afa Airbus Ghana for then ebetoye ewo President John Mahama epenso a say no kata se hye proye ebi abamu a say ye hwehwem no eno no intino say ekoba say na omo ye newspaper review ewo TV so ewo Friday the 15th of May ena madam for bi ehunu ye na oboma man ye oringe kasham say omo ye newspaper review ewo TV so na story na ba the Times newspaper timinko pe bi ento intino according to madam for no omo discuss topic no more review paper na edru ha no discuss topic for about 20 good minutes na say panelists no mo boafu say sa nipa bi ti say opani way ni oda hoy Philip Middlemis omo no mama emrofo no nso eho kire wo mo kire say omo na boa African panimfo emo mo wiewia Africa sika na omo wiewia Africa sika na ohia kan Africa na aha abrocha say UK America ni France ni nkreke ka ho no wo taxpayers money a enkaban no ede beye wo kro no na wo dibi baba boa Africa fo a eni kwa say ebasa enti saa nipa yi no wo force say e was a prosecute no yɛde ne tum na nipa biara mmorɔfo bi a ɔmtete saa na ɔmoboa Africa ya mpanimfo mu wi Africa ska ɛma ohia ka Africa na yɛde yɛni akyerɛ wɔn man so ɛbɛsrɛsrɛ wɔn sika ɛma wɔn sika sɛbe enke yɛde bɛsiesie wɔn kuro anaa yɛde bɛboa wɔn hiafoɔ no yɛde twa so ɛbɛboa Africa foɔ no wɔn gidi sɛ ntwa yie nti no na ɛno no nti asɛm na ni na nka menya mɛkan full story no. However, at times bebree me make ya na me dey na me kan story na se ekɔ akyira na ayi na entimi emfa ne yie ema me nti me de mbesia nti no anamo na mrofo ɛboa me yatu nse ne yati bia ye behu nipa a wɔyɛ elected Ghanaian government official one no na yɛne na di no ma ba